This is the 45's layout work. This work is matching quantity to symbol, beginning with the units on the right and moving up all the way to the thousands on the left. I have already laid the work out for video purpose because this work takes a long time to present. In the classroom, it takes me about 15 to 20 minutes to present this work, not including the cleanup part. I am also going to attach the Golden Beads printable to use for this work. You will have to print 5 copies of the file in order to have enough golden beads to do this work. I will also attach a picture of how the finished 45 layout work looks like for a child to use as a resource and be independent with this work. The 45 layout is an early place value work. The 45 layout work, sometimes known as the bird's eye view or the place value working mat, is designed for use on the floor. It is perfect for laying out the large number cards and associating the golden bead values. I am using 3 big mats that I have at my house. You can use what you have at your house. If nothing, just use 1 to 2 big towels that are plain and don't have any designs on them. The purpose of this work is to give the child a bird's eye view of the association between quantity with the written symbols using the cards and the beads. In this work, the child explores and builds a physical place value chart on the floor with the golden beads and large number cards, units through thousands. This layout will help your child to visualize and develop an understanding of place value, order of numbers, and concentration. This work is very large and can take quite some time. Children love building this chart in the classroom. It can take time to build the concentration to complete the entire layout, and if your child needs a break while doing this work, that's all right. Unlike most Montessori works that go from left to right, this work is done right to left, beginning with the smallest, which is the units. So you begin with 1 unit and you get the symbol that matches that quantity. Then you go on to 2 units and you keep going down all the way to 9 units. After 9 units, you can stop and ask your child, if you have 9 units here, if you had 1 more unit, how many units would you have? The child hopefully would say 10 units. And then you can ask her, so what do 10 units make? If she can't tell you, you can help her by showing her the 10 bar. 10 units make a 10 bar. That's why we call it the 10 bar. So now we are going to begin with the tens place. So you keep going from 10 all the way to 90, matching the quantity and the symbol. And on the bottom, you can ask your child again. You have 9 10 bars. If you had 1 more 10 bar, you would have 10 10 bars. And what would 10 10 bars make? 10 10 bars make 100. And keep going, matching quantity to symbol all the way down to 900. You have 9 hundreds. 1 more 100 would make 10 hundreds. And 10 hundreds make 1,000. And keep going down. Now the reason why we begin building on the right hand side instead of the left hand side is because when you build a number in different place values, you always start with the smallest, which is the unit, and then move up. But when you read the number, you read it left to right. When you look at the 45's layout, after it has been completed, it will make sense as you see the thousands on the left and the units on the right. Once your child has laid the quantities from right to left, you can quiz her by doing the 3-period lesson. So the first period would be naming the quantity for her. This is 8 units. This is 8 tenths. This is 800. This is 8,000. The second period would be asking her to show you that a certain quantity. Show me 7 tens. Show me 6 units. Show me 5 hundreds. Or show me 6 thousands. And the third period would be asking her to give you the language. What is this? What is this? So you keep going that way all the way to thousands. After a child has finished this work, you can take a picture of her work and upload it to share with me. Thank you so much for watching.